Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, KQ Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about proteins, amino acids, and polypeptide, part 3. So in part 3, we are going to discuss about proteins, classification of proteins on the basis of chemical structure. So let's begin. Proteins are the most abundant organic molecules of the life. Means they are profoundly found in the organic molecule. From Greek, proteos means holding the first place. Proteins are the polymers of amino acids, basically heteropolymers. Protein generally contains more than 50 to several hundreds of amino acid units. Elementary composition of proteins: carbon contains 50 to 55%, hydrogen 6 to 7.3%, oxygen 19 to 24%, nitrogen 13 to 19%, sulfur 0 to 4%. Also contains phosphorus, iron, copper, iodine, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Classification of protein on the basis of chemical structure. So proteins are classified basically by three types: simple, conjugate, and derived. Simple again classified by globular protein and scleroprotein. So globular protein contains albumin, globulin, gluteins, protamines, histones, globins, protamines, prolamines, and protamines. Scleroproteins contains collagen, elastins, keratins. Conjugated contains nucleoproteins, glycoprotein, mucoproteins, lipoproteins, phosphoprotein, chromoproteins, metalloproteins. Derived again classified by two types: primary and secondary. Primary derived contains coagulated proteins, proteins, metaproteins. Secondary proteases, peptones, polypeptides, peptides. Simple proteins. This type of proteins are made up of only from amino acid residue and no other bound materials. They may be further classified on the basis of their solubility. First is globular proteins. These are spherical or oval shape in shape, soluble in water and other solvents, and digestibles. Albumins, soluble in water and dilute salts solutions and coagulated by heat. Example: serum albumin, oval albumin, or egg. Lactal albumin found in milk. Globulins, soluble in neutral and dilute salt solutions. Example: serum globulins, vitellins, egg yolk. Glutenins, soluble in dilute acids and alkalis, mostly found in plants. Example: glutenins, wheat, originin in rice. Prolamines, soluble in 70% alcohol. Example: gliadin, found in wheat. Zyme, found in maize. Histones, strongly basic proteins, soluble in water and dilute acids, but insoluble in dilute ammonium hydroxide. Example: thymus histones. Globins, these are generally considered along with histones. However, globins are not basic proteins and are not precipitated by ammonium hydroxide. Protamines, they are strongly basic, similar to histones, but smaller in size and soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Protamines are also found in association with nucleic acids. Example: sperm proteins. Lectins are carbohydrate binding proteins and are involved in the interaction between cells and proteins. They help to maintain tissue and organ structure. Example: concanavalin A and agglutinin. Then protamines, they are strongly basic, similar to histone, but smaller in size and soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Protamines are also found in association with nucleic acid. Example: sperm protein. Lectins are also are carbohydrate binding proteins, are involved in the interaction between cells and proteins. They help to maintain tissue and organ structure. Example: concavalin A and agglutinin. Fibrous proteins or scleroproteins. These are fibrous-like in shape, insoluble in water, and resistant to digestion. Albuminoids or scleroproteins are predominant group of fibrous proteins. Collagens are connective tissue proteins. Collagens on boiling with water or dilute acids yield gelatin, which is soluble and digestible. Elastins, these proteins are found in elastic tissues such as tendons and arteries. Keratins, these are present in exoskeletal structures. Example: hair, snail, nails, and horn. Conjugated protein formed from alpha amino acid plus non-protein cofactor or any group. Nucleoproteins conjugated with nucleic acid, DNA, or RNA. Example: nucleohistones, nucleoprotamines. Glycoproteins conjugated with carbohydrate with which is less than 4% of the protein. The term mucoprotein is used if the carbohydrate content is more than 4%. Example, mucin in saliva, ocomycoid in egg white. Lipoproteins conjugated with lipids, example, serum lipoprotein. Phosphoproteins conjugated with phosphoric acid, example, casein found in milk, vitelline in egg yolk. Chromoprotein conjugated with colored group, example, hemoglobin and cytochromes. Metalloproteins, this protein contains metal ions such as iron, cobalt, zinc, copper, magnesium, etc. Example, ceruloplasmin contains copper, carbonic anhydrase contains zinc. Derived proteins, intermediate degradation of product of protein hydrolysis. So these are derived from the protein hydrolysis. So primary derived proteins, the primary derived are the denatured or coagulated on or first hydrolyzed product of the protein. Coagulated proteins, these are the denatured protein produced by the agents such as heat, acids, alkalis, etc. Example, cooked proteins, coagulated albumins in egg white. Proteins, these are the earliest product of protein hydrolysis by enzymes, dilute acids, alkalis, etc., which are insoluble in water. Example, fibrin from fibrinogen. Metaproteins. These are the second stage of proteins, product of the protein hydrolysis obtained by treatment with the slightly stronger acids and alkalis. Example, acids and alkali metaproteins. Secondary derived proteins, these are progressive hydrolytic products of proteins hydrolysis, that is subsequent hydrolysis. These include proteases, peptones, polypeptides and peptides. Thank you so much.